In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to change the body color of your web page. Starting from the main dashboard, go ahead and select whichever website you'd like to change the body of. And the next step is to go ahead and select the page that you'd like to customize. So we're going to be clicking on the home page. After opening up the home page or any page on your website, you can navigate to the Go To drop-down menu on the top menu bar and click on Page Details. In order to change the body color, simply click on that transparent box and you will get a color selection panel that pops up where you can change the body color to be any color that you'd like. Just for the sake of this tutorial, let's make it kind of a bright green so it stands out and you can see exactly what changing the body color will do. After selecting a color that you like, there's two dials here, which you might be familiar with by now if you've worked in the software for quite some time, but just in case you haven't, we're going to go over what they do. The left bar is going to adjust the brightness of that color. So if we want it to be that exact light green, we're going to move the brightness all the way up. If we want to increase the darkness or make that color darker, more of a black tone, we can grab this gradient tool and move it all the way down to black. All right, but I'm going to be moving this up to light green and increasing the brightness all the way so that color stands out. All right. On the right-hand side, we have the transparency bar. So by moving this up, that color is going to become light green. By moving it down, we're decreasing the opacity and moving the transparency down all the way to 0 or transparent, where you wouldn't even see the color. Even if you select green, if the transparency is set to 0, you're not going to see it. All right, so let's move that transparency dial all the way up. We've selected the body color now, and assuming you have the essential page details added, which we do cover in a separate tutorial, all you have to do is click Save Details. After clicking Save Details, the body color of your page will be changed, and you can see if we scroll down now that certain elements of this page are that light green. And the reason they're showing light green and they used to be white is because the previous body color of this page was simply transparent. So if you want the background of your page to be set to a specific branded color, changing the body color will do exactly that. As you can see, the kind of outline around the page is green now, and I wouldn't recommend this unless your brand color is that light green, but just for the sake of this tutorial, we've selected a really bright color so you can see exactly what this does. So again, if you do want to change that, you just go to Page Details on the top menu bar under Go To. You'll see that body color option on each page on the menu bar that pops up on the right hand side of the screen. And now just to set things back, we can decrease that opacity or even, move this color over to white and increase the opacity. Different ways to play with the same exact thing. And we can click Save Details so that I reset that website back to having a body color of white. And now you can continue creating and customizing your website.